Hey everybody, welcome to New Scars for my reviews and pause by tuning in. If you guys want to see a shampoo review on Design Essentials, please stay tuned. Hey everybody, so I'm here to do a review. Yes, another review. I know you're probably like, I thought you wasn't going to do reviews because you got eczema and all this stuff. I know. But this has oats in it, so it's like, so it's okay. Okay, don't come for me. All right, so yeah. All right, so we have the Design Essentials Oat Protein and Henna. This is the fuller, thicker, stronger, deep cleansing shampoo. Shampooing, let me see what it says. Removes buildup and adds volume. New and improved. On the back, we're going to read the brief synopsis on the back. Oat Protein and Henna fuller, thicker shampoo. Deep cleansing shampoo is a first lather shampoo filled with natural ingredients that deeply cleanses the hair of any impurities without stripping it of its natural oils. The result is clean, healthy hair with increased volume and manageability. Directions: apply to wet hair and work into lather. Rinse and repeat as necessary. Keep hair away from open flame or any source of ignition. For external use only. Ingredients, brief synopsis. We have water, sodium lauryl sulfate, and things of that sort. Hydrolyzed oat protein and things of that sort, manufactured by McBride Research Laboratories and things of that sort. So I know y'all heard sulfates in there. I know y'all did. To those of you that are screaming in your pants, I know a lot of the natural hair community like to use sulfate free shampoos, but I have locks and I have to remove my buildup, so I need the sulfates. Okay, I've been using sulfates for a while. I've been weaning into sulfates for a minute, so the sulfate freeze ain't gonna cut it on locks. Okay, I'm just sorry out here. Okay, so that's basically about that. All right, so that's just it for that. Okay, so yeah, so the Design Essentials, I'm gonna look at the opacity. The opacity of it is very opaque. Let's see. Yes, it's very a pearlescent color, very pearlescent. I will show that in the video. The consistency on the thick consistency scale is about, I'll give it like a 5. It's not watery, but it's like a 5, so it was pretty good. This is 8 fluid ounce. I be ODing on, putting it on my hair. I love the suds. It suds up very nicely. It suds up. I love the suds. I love the suds. It suds up, especially like after once you rinse your hair out first, and then you put it on, the suds instantly do come. I love the smell. The smell of it smells very nice. I love it. The opacity is opaque. It's pearlescent. And on the scale from I said it was on a 5 or a 6, and this is first impressions. Okay, and on first impressions, I would give this I'm gonna just do 4.5 for now. Until this is first impressions. It's okay. I mean, it's pretty good. I probably saw like one little flake, but not that much. But I did wash my hair with this today, so it's pretty good. It didn't dry my hair out. It didn't strip it or anything of the case. It left my hair feeling clean. But if I saw a flake, I probably saw one up here somewhere. But that was it, just one. So I'll give it a 4.5. This is first impressions. So I'll probably be back with a pop-up video to let you guys know how this is working for me. But so far so good. I really do like the smell. I really do like the lather, and I really do like it a lot. How much was this? Okay, Sally's, I think it was like between $8 or $10. So was it in my price range? I guess if it was $10, it could have been a little bit lower, but it's pretty decent. I got this from Sally's. I don't think it's in CVS, or maybe it's in Walgreens. I don't know, but I did purchase this from Sally's, and you can also purchase it from the Sally's website. And I'll put a link down below, so if you guys have trouble with looking for this, because you can have a little trouble, because I did try to look for this in CVS one time and Walgreens, and they didn't have it. Well, in my local Walgreens and CVS area, I'm sorry, CVS. So if you have it, you can definitely pick it up. I don't know if it's in Walmart, but I definitely will put some links down below so you guys will click on it if you're unable to get to it. Okay, and that's just basically about that. So I definitely will recommend this to those that want to remove buildup off locks, because it does help. And I did see this on the guy, I guess I forgot his name, on YouTube, Damien. He recommends this shampoo for locks, so it definitely so far so good. So I will will use it again the next wash, and I'll probably be back to let you guys know the update of the shampoo. Is it still a yay or is it a nay? Okay, but right now it's a yay for first impressions. I really do like this, and the smell is very, very nice. It smells so good. Like, I'm just like, yes. And it smells like a nice clean, like, it smells good, like a nice, the smell is so nice. I just want to eat it, like, like, it's like sorry, stop. But yeah, I really like it. It's really good. And yeah, so this is a design essentials, and this is my first time using this product. First impressions. Let me know if you guys have used this on your locks or your regular loose natural hair. Whatever works for me may not work for you, and vice versa. And that's just basically about that. I think I covered everything. If I didn't, I definitely annotated it in the video. And as far as the claims are concerned, saying fuller, thicker, stronger hair, I can't, give those claims because I have to use it more than once to see. So I probably have to use this for a good month or two to see these claims. And also it says deep cleansing shampoo. So it does give a type deal of a deep cleansing shampoo. So yeah, so it's O protein and henna. My hair is not dry, doesn't feel dry or anything in the case, so doesn't feel stripped. So we're good there. Okay, so that's basically about that. Also, I did 2 washes, and I think I did one more wash in the front. I did it off camera, and so just to ensure proper cleaning. Okay, all right, so you do whatever works for your hair. If you need to do 2 rinses, depending upon what you have put in your head prior to washing it. Okay, all right, so that's basically about that, you guys. All right, I'm done. I'm getting out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you've used this product. If you did, what was your review? Did you like it or not? Did you like it? Engage in the description. Sorry, in the comment section below, and let me know, y'all. Okay. Yeah, and it did pretty good for my locks. Okay, so far so good. Okay. All right, so that's it, you guys. Any questions? Watching. Peace. Bye.